Hi everyone, happy Friday. Today, actually every Friday will be kind of a catch-up day. So if you missed any assignments for math this week, you can go back and check all the assignments to make sure you have accomplished all. And also that you've accomplished all of your Zearn lessons. You should be at 4 Zearn lessons by the end of the week. Make sure you're doing that, and that will be on Friday, so that can give you some extra time to get some of that work that you might have missed during the week. So today we're going to click on our homeroom class, go to our announcement for the day. It is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Remember, my office hours are from 2 to 3 p.m. You'll click on the Google Meet link. This will be available every day so that you can come through the link and then just ask any questions that you may have about any work, or to make sure that all your work is completed for the week. Remember that this time is not for you to come and chat with others. It is for you to get help, okay? So first you'll watch the video. Then you can watch the announcements of the day that Ms. Nonis has prepared for you. You will then answer the attendance question and answer the Prodigy question. The Prodigy question just says, were you able to log into Prodigy? You can just say yes, Ms. Flores, no. If you had any issues, you can write in that question. Remember that when you answer a question, you don't write in the comments, you actually write in the box and you submit your answer. Today, I will ask you to log into Prodigy for 30 minutes. Go ahead and play for 30 minutes if all of your work is done for the week. If it's not done, please make sure you are catching up on any Google Classroom assignments that you missed this week. Remember, we had our post-assessment Monday. We had a few other work that was due every day from the week, okay? So make sure you're all caught up, and then once you're all caught up, then you can go on to Prodigy and then log in. If you had some missing work, you don't have to do the full 30 minutes. You can just log in and have some fun as long as you like, and then you can just log off for today. Make sure that next week you're doing your work every day so that Friday comes, and then all you have to do is just log into Prodigy, okay? And so step number 3 is catch up on Zearn lessons. So you need 4 Zearn lessons for the week. Remember, today is our raffle for Zearn. You must have 4 Zearn lessons by 4 p.m. to be entered into our raffle. At the end of this video, I will go over the prizes that you can potentially earn, and those names who are on the good track for Zearn, okay? You also have art today. You click on this link and it will take you to the art website, which if I click it, oops, whoopsie. Let me get out, come back in. Which if I click it, it should show something like this. Okay, so it has a message from your art teacher. It also has it in Spanish, and then here is week 3, line drawing challenges. So here you go to your grade level. So here is 2nd and 3rd grade. So you'll click on the picture and then it will take you to instructions, okay? So go ahead and do that for today for art. And then here again is your timer if you need it, and then relaxing music if you need it. Also remember to check your literacy class and do your work there too, okay? So my next step will be, after I watch this video, then go to attendance and answer my Prodigy question. So you'll go to classwork, click on attendance, and you'll click on the question for the day, which is this. 7, let me make it a little bigger. 7 times what equals 28? And it's the opposite. 28 divided by 7 equals what? Okay, to find this answer, you can skip count by 7s, or if you already know what 7 times what is, would equal 28, then you can just write your answer in that answer box, okay? Remember, you have to submit your answer. Do not write it in your comments. Okay, once you do your attendance question, you can go to assignments. And here you'll see this question show that says, did you log into Prodigy today? And you'll say yes, Ms. Lauren, or no. And then here are the instructions again. In case you forget, you need to log into Prodigy for 30 minutes if you are all done with your week's work, okay? And then to check and see if you're done with all of your week's work, you can just go through each of the assignments and make sure you've turned something in. We had our post-assessment on Monday. We have a lot of kids missing that. This was our student book page 224. We also have a lot of kids missing this one. Remember that I think this page might not work, so you might just have to do a Google Doc to write your answer, okay? And also your parents can send me your answers in case you do it in your workbook, so you get credit for that. This is a multi-step word problem. It is a Google form, so it is multiple choice. It is nice and easy for you to complete in case you missed this one. And then yesterday's work was the multiplying by 11, which is also a Google form, which is multiple choice, and it's super easy for you to do. Okay, so just go through those assignments for the week, make sure that you've turned them in. If you haven't, make sure you get those done before you go on to Prodigy. Today it's just Prodigy and catching up on your work. And then the next thing would be Zearn, so make sure that you have done for Zearn lessons for the week. Right now I'll go over those who have done them. Let's see. So Elo, you're on Zearn lesson 2. Make sure you get to 4 by today at 4 p.m. Isabel, you're at 2. Austin, good job. You're at 6. Liam, good job. You're at 4. Alejandra, you're at 2. Kalia, you're at 3. Geraldine, you're at 3. Sydney, you're at 3. Danny, you're at 3. And Lexi, you're at 1. Make sure we are doing 4 lessons by today at 4 p.m. so you can be entered into our raffle, okay? So catch up on that. And then your last thing would be to sign into Prodigy. Remember that all of your login sheets are also under classwork. And then if you click my login information, you can see your login sheet here, and then all your passwords are there. And if you're in Miss Morgan's group, don't forget to check her workout for the day. Okay. Now, what prizes can I get if I win the raffle? Oops. Okay. So for the ladies, I added some really nice graphic novels. So we have the Babysitters Club. We have these 2 books that are available. Remember that your price has to be less than $10. This is a tic-tac-toe set that Lexi won last time. She chose to get this. And also a coloring book. Amy chose a coloring book, and I also sent some coloring crayons. I don't know if you have crayons at home, so I sent them as well. And then for ladies and boys, I know a lot of you ladies like the Dogman series. You guys can pick a Dogman book if it's less than $10. This is another really nice book that many kiddos like, which is Bone. There's different books, I believe. So as long as it's less than $10, you can also choose that, okay? We have Connect 4 game. This is fun. Uno, Take and Play Bingo. This is a calming bottle, kind of like the one I have at school. And then Bubbles, okay? Oh no, it's unavailable, but I'll try to find something else if you choose Bubbles, okay? So those are the prizes that you can pick from if you won the raffle. So make sure you're doing that Zearn raffle. And also for my literacy, I'm doing an Amplify raffle. So make sure you're also doing that. All right, you guys will have a happy Friday. Have a good weekend. Hopefully you get all your work done. I'll be sending reports home today to families. And if you have any questions, remember my office hours are from 2 to 3. Make sure you guys log in and ask me any questions, okay? Have fun.